In today's video, we are going to be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm Premium Box. Next palette up is one that I already own and absolutely love. This is the Brow Bar by Reema, and it is her Drama Queen Face Palette. So let's get 2 highlighters in here. You get 4 eyeshadow colors. You could actually use these as like eyeshadows if you wanted to. So we're gonna go ahead and use the blush color right over here. And I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of the setting powder to set my face in the areas that it's a little bit more oily right now. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to press it along the oily areas of my face, which is usually right about here. And because it's translucent, it's gonna work for everyone, which I really do like. This is a really, really great blush. So let's go ahead and pick up a little bit of that. I'm just tapping that blush on. So that's giving me a really nice glow. There are 2 really beautiful highlighter shades in this palette, but I'm gonna go in with this one for the inner corner. The Drama Queen palette retails for $45.